Hi all. So in this session we will learn about walk, two-leg character walk. Okay, there is already one video on walk, but this is like I'll go a little detailed. Okay, so two-leg character walk. When I say walk, there will be two things: walk cycle and walk progressive, right? So this will be like walk cycle, where walk cycle means one character will be walking in one point. Progressive means character will be moving from one point to another point. Okay, so I'll start with this simple stick walk first. So there will be three stages. First, I'll start with this stick walk with the frame by frame animation. Then I'll go to character. We'll take one character and we'll do character walk with that again frame by frame animation. Third step, we'll get a character, rigged character, and we'll be using twins to make that walk cycle. Okay, so walk, two leg cycle. Before that, we'll just go with the theory, exact how it works. Now, if you check survival kit, animator survival kit from Richard Williams, this is the plan like step, squash, stretch, all those things. And many people use different words in the walk, like he'll say contact, down pose, passing pose, up pose, all those things. Okay, so I'll show you this in very simple way from my style. So here if you see, it's like a step, that character is keeping his leg, then squash, body will come down, then stretch. So we are putting all the weight on this leg and we are just getting up, right? So same thing I'll show you from my simple idea. So this is just a basic drawings, like first drawing will be step. Okay, so like this, and when right leg is front, right hand will be back. So it's a simple step drawing now. Okay, so first drawing step, so you can see like he's on the ground. Next squash, so body will come little down, full body will come little down, and legs will have like squash. Don't worry about backside leg, hands will come little inside. This is the second drawing, like squash, body will be squashing here. Next what we will do, we will be like stretch and we will be keeping all the force on this particular leg. I will draw somewhere here, like, okay, it's like stretch. This back leg will go front like this and hands will be straight. This is the third drawing. So step, squash, stretch, done. One more important thing, when you are making cycles, this is our two positions, right? From here to here, this is the positions. So we have to keep all our drawings within these two positions to make cycle. As I told earlier, walk cycle means walking in one same position. Okay, so maybe we have three drawings here, so we will be placing second leg here, third leg here. This is the basic theory behind walk cycle. Okay, I'll start with this file now. So for easy work, I have taken lines. This is not object, I have taken lines, so easily we can bend it. So it will be easily understandable like this. So using lines, I have created this character. Again, if you want source file, just mail me, I'll give the source file also. Okay, so we'll start now simple walk cycle with this character. So first frame will be like step. Now I'll be using keyframes here, like shortcut key will be F6 for keyframe, F5 for in between or extension of frames. So first frame we'll go for step. I'll take rulers for ground. Okay, this will be my ground. And I'll be using onion skin here to check my old frames. Okay, so first drawing step. So I'll keep this legs like this. Okay. This leg will be like little up. This hand I'll go little inside. Again, this will be, see, each walk will be different based on the character, but the basics will be same. Now, okay, this is the first drawing here as step. Next keyframe was squash, like body will be squashing down. So I'll go to new frame. I'll say right click, insert keyframe. Done. So we got that old frame again. Now squash. So I'll select whole character and I'll see that the character will come little down. You can see that onion skin option there. So character came little down. Now as I explained, we have only these 2 points. We have to distribute within these 2 points. So I'll take this leg, I'll keep it here for squash. Like this, I'll keep this leg here. Back leg, let it go little up, no problem. Just concentrate on front leg. Hands will be coming in like this, both the hands. Done. So this will be our second frame. Now see, step, squash. I'll just switch off on the onion skin. See, step, squash. So 2 frames. Third will be stretch. 1 second. Okay. So I'll go to third frame again. So we got that same. I press F6 or keyframe. Now again onion skin. I'll go little up because it's a stretch. So you can see all the 3 frames here. And I'll just arrange this leg here. Now just imagine we are working on right leg. Okay. This leg will go front. So I'm using line as a character's like a hands and legs, so it will be easy to move. Okay. Done. So there are no layers, nothing, just group. So this hand will go back, this hand will be front. You can't see this hand, okay, I'll just keep it here. Okay, so 3 keyframes are ready now. See, step, squash, stretch. This will be very fast animation if you check, but basically these 3 keyframes. We'll just see the animation. I'll add 1 extra frame in between F5. Just see how it works. Yeah, it will be very fast, but we got that basic 3 keyframes now here. Okay. Done. Step, squash, stretch. Now I'll add 2 in-betweens within this. Now you know, right, 2D animation, keyframes are different, in-betweens are different. So better we'll add 2 keyframes here, so it will be little smooth. So within these 2 we don't want. Here we'll add 1 because this is already a character is here in squash and suddenly it is getting up for a stretch. So I'll add 1 extra keyframe here. Now how to do that? I'll just zoom keyframes now. This 1 frame, this 1 frame. So for this I'll add 1 extra frame, like insert frame, and I'll convert that extra frame as a keyframe like F6. Okay, done. I'll do open the onion skin. You can see like only 3 keyframes here. 1 old frame, next frame, and this new keyframe. Right? I'll just move this up, and using onion skin only, I'll just arrange this now. This frame we are working. I'm just putting 1 in between there. Okay. This leg already green is next frame, blue is old frame. So we keep it here somewhere in between, like this. Okay. Same thing with the hand. Green is next frame, blue was old frame. So I'll keep in between here. Okay, done. So you can see now it's a little smooth from here to here. Done. Step, squash, in between, stretch. Good. So this is for right leg. Now we copy same thing for left leg. Okay, so I see I have added 1 more frame here from here to here, and I have done same thing for left leg. Like this is the right leg, and here you are having left leg. Same step, squash, stretch, 1 in between. This part, same thing I have made it for next leg. Just for understanding, I have kept it in a new layer. Actually, you can, once it is done, you can just keep it into same layer only. We'll see the animation. Okay, it is very fast, but it is proper. Like you can see, like step, squash, stretch, and that body is going up and down. Now I'll add 1 in between here. Shortcut key F5. Just I am adding 1 extra frame to make it little smooth. Okay, done. So you got a smooth walk cycle. So 3 keyframes, step, squash, stretch, and in between we added 2 in betweens, right? So in this video we have this much. Next video I'll take 1 character and we'll do same walk cycle with the 1 character. So keep practicing. Okay, thank you.